an excellent juice that torches pounds in fat. Today we are going to be preparing a nutritious and completely natural drink for weight loss that you should drink before bed. You only need 4 ingredients to make it. This juice melts everything you consume during the day. Drink only 1 glass of this healthy drink at bedtime for 7 days, and you will notice the changes. This recipe will be prepared in less than 6 minutes. So, if you are looking for a drink that helps you melt the calories you intake during the day and lose weight without dieting, this video on Pars Health TV channel is made for you. You will require only 4 ingredients for this healthy recipe. All of these ingredients are nutritious, natural, and easily available. You can buy them all in nearby health food shops or in green markets. We recommend always selecting products with ecological certificates from organic production. Number 4. Cucumber. The first ingredient for our healthy juice is cucumber. You are going to need 3 smaller cucumbers. You should cut the ends first, then peel the bark with a knife or a peeler, whatever you are more comfortable with. If you want to utilize the cucumber together with the peel, first wash it in water well, to which you have added 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now you should cut the peeled cucumbers into small chunks. The cucumber diet is one of the most well-known diets for weight loss, and with an excellent reason. This delicious fruit is full of protein, vitamins, and minerals. It has very few calories and enhances digestion. It is rich in vitamins A and C, silicon that supports connective tissue, and water that will raise your body's hydration level. Now, you should transfer all that sliced cucumber to one larger bowl. Number 3. Ginger. The next ingredient you need is ginger. You need 1 fresh root, about 4 centimeters, about the size of your thumb. Cut 4 centimeters of ginger root and peel it. You should gently peel the surface layer of this bitter root. You will see that it is moist, and that is due to its healing juice. Ginger is rich in minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, sodium, and calcium. It also has folate, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, and vitamins, of which the most common are B vitamins. Now you are going to cut that peeled root into small parts. Due to the high concentrations of gingerol, ginger has been confirmed to be perfect for digestion. It speeds up metabolic rate and stimulates healthy weight loss. We will deliver this chopped ginger to a bowl with cucumbers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's see what the next ingredient is. Number 2. Lemon. The next ingredient you need to add to this juice is lemon. It would be perfect to utilize unsprayed lemons from organic farming, and not the one from the supermarket, or at least try to find the one with the bio label as an alternative. Cut 1 lemon in half. Then you should squeeze the juice from each half utilizing a strainer. This citrus is rich in citric acid, which is guaranteed to burn fat from the belly and at the same time clean the intestines of accumulated toxins. This nutritious food is famous because of the large amount of vitamin C, which boosts immunity, and also influences appetite suppression. Lemon is also full of phytonutrients like pectin, tannins, and bioflavonoids, which improve digestion. We find many essential vitamins and minerals in its composition: potassium, magnesium, and selenium. This prevents aging and maintains the body in excellent condition. You should save the obtained lemon juice for later. Number 1. Mint. For this recipe, you also need a sprig of fresh mint. You only need to take out a few leaves. Mints can be found more and more often in the markets, so you can buy 1 small plant and use it to make this drink. You should separate the mint leaves from 1 twig, about 10 pieces. This plant has a diuretic impact and purifies the body of accumulated toxins. It is high in plant fibers that regulate the digestion process and prevent constipation. It has tannins and wormwood, bitter substances that support the stomach and promote bile production, thus speeding up digestion. For the next phase, you will need a blender or juicer. First, add chopped cucumbers and ginger to the blender. So you will deliver lemon juice through them. Then you should add mint leaves to all that. The next thing we need to do is weigh 700 milliliters of water. You need so much for this amount of ingredients. Pour water over everything and turn on the blender to grind it finely. Depending on the blender's strength, it will take about half a minute to a minute. This weight loss juice effectively burns the accumulated fat, hydrates and refreshes the body. In addition, it is excellent for strengthening immunity. Let drinking this green juice become part of your daily routine just before bed. The obtained pulpy juice from the blender will be strained into a glass jug with the help of a strainer. You can also utilize a jar with a lid or a bottle. Use a small spoon to better strain the juice. When you combine these 4 healthy ingredients, cucumber, ginger, lemon, and mint leaves, you get this incredible weight loss juice with a beautiful taste. This drink will help you speed up your metabolism completely naturally. If you drink this juice for 7 days in a row, you will notice that your fat deposits are gradually burning. Stick to a light, balanced diet and have a regular exercise routine, and the results will not be missed. Every night before sleep, put a couple of ice cubes and 1 to 2 slices of lemon in a glass and pour the juice over it. Drink it instantly and stick to it for a week. Feel free to share your ideas and opinions with us in the comments section below. And don't forget to watch more of our amazing videos on the left and right of your screen.